You never know where to sit. Alright, so check it out. We are on episode 5 of our Gordon Ramsay Masterchef challenges. Today, we're gonna be peeling and deveining shrimp like a master chef. Let's see if an amateur can handle this. And look, I'm gonna keep it short and sweet today, but I promise I'll make it up to you. Let's get in the kitchen. What's up, my little clementines? And welcome to J-Max Amateur Kitchen. So today, we're talking about these guys. This is head-on shrimp. We're gonna see if we can dehead, peel, and devein these like a master chef. And bonus, throughout the video, we're gonna tell you what you can do with shrimp. You can barbecue it, boil it, broil it, bake it, saute it. Let's do this thing. Now come over here. All right, got these shrimp from TJ Maxx. And we got ourselves a pan and a bowl of cold water. All right, let's do this. All right, first we start off by taking off the head. We're gonna take our fingers, put them right behind the gills there, and then we're gonna take our other hand, and we're just gonna twist and pull. That's it. All right, and now, all we gotta do is peel off this shell. So Gordon just kind of runs his thumb underneath the shell and peels that around. That's actually pretty easy. All right. Alright, and then once we get most of the shell off, Gordon just takes his index finger and his thumb finger, and he just squeezes and pushes the rest of it out. Let's try it. Shake it. Oh, and look at that! Boom, the whole thing came out. This is easy. Alright. Alright, let's peel the rest of these. Last step, we just need to get that intestine out of there. So we're to the back of this, we're just gonna take a knife and make a little slit all the way down. And we just wanna open that up, and we wanna take out that intestine. There we go. Now we're just gonna clean this in our bowl of water. Shake it off, and close it back up. That's it. Easy. Alright, let's just get a plate and throw our shrimp on there. And we got our shrimp. We got these things headed, deshelled, and deveined like a master chef. Honestly, really easy. Pro tip, don't throw away these intestine tracts. Save them, put them in a bowl, and then we can throw them out later. Ha! I was just seeing if you were listening. Headed, peeled, and deveined shrimp, MasterChef style. Shrimp, headed, peeled, and deveined like a master chef. Alright, so that was a quick episode. We're gonna take this shrimp, and I know it's not a MasterChef challenge, but there was a shrimp and grits recipe that went down in the MasterChef Hall of Fame as the best shrimp and grits ever on that show. And I found the recipe, so we're gonna make it. But Valentine's Day first. Get ready. There's shrimp kebabs, shrimp creole, shrimp gumbo. You got pan fried, deep fried, stir fried. There's pineapple shrimp, lemon shrimp, coconut shrimp, pepper shrimp, shrimp soup, shrimp stew, shrimp salad, shrimp and potatoes, shrimp burger, shrimp sandwich, and that's about it.